Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. Today we're going to be getting into surprise, a box that no one saw that coming. Surprise ending, a twist if you will. Oh god, okay. The box we're getting into today is very heavy on one side and also covered in butterflies. FabFitFun has just released their spring box and today we're going to be taking a look-see at what is inside mine. Today's video is sponsored by FabFitFun, so thank you so very much for supporting the channel. If you guys do not know, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription that ships full-size health, beauty, wellness, and lifestyle items straight to your door. What? Why? My brain just took like a dance break in the middle of my sentence. Anyway, FabFitFun is $49.99 each season, but if you would like to, you can use my code AR10 to get $10 off your very first FabFitFun box. Each box is guaranteed to have at least $200 worth of value, and the boxes are customizable. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what came in my box. And yeah, let's go ahead and dig on into this. Let's see what unique item I can cut it open with because I can't find it in my box cutters. These metal caddy are sharp enough. Let's give it a try. Oh! Throughout the video, you guys might see some like little pop-ups coming up on the screen. This video is supposed to be like reminiscent of a 1990s VH1 pop-up video. Am I the only one old enough to remember those? I don't know. Let me know down below in the comments. Does anyone else remember those? Right on top here we have a little magazine that'll tell us about all the items inside of the box and it'll give us the value for our overall box. So let's go ahead, dig on into the very first thing in here. Oh, this might be one of the reasons why it's so hefty. We have something from Gravity. This is a weighted sleep mask with weighted beads for up to 1 pound of pressure. Okay, so this is a little weird tidbit about me. I actually really like weight on my eyes and face when I'm sleeping. I'm glad to know other people do because this is a product that exists, so I can't be the only one. I sleep like this with my elbow and my forearm, which is just drastically a different color than my face and neck, over my eyes, like pressing on them at night because I don't know why. I think it might be hereditary though or something because my grandmother and my dad both sleep like that, so this could actually be a nice little replacement for my elbow. It is quite heavy, but very soft. There's like little beads on the inside. It's Velcro-y on the back, and then there's like a zippy bit. Oh yeah, okay, so there's a zippy bit in here, and you can actually take this out and like wash the cover. This is something I'm actually like oddly interested in, so I'll give this a try tonight and see how it works out. It's also 10:30 p.m., so perfect. Okie dokie. The next thing I'm seeing in here is from This Works. This is the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. Multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. Ooh, so apparently this is supposed to be like anti-aging. There's also lavender and chamomile in it, so it's supposed to be like relaxing as well. Let's give her a sniff here. That literally never goes well. Why every time? It does taste like lavender. Go ahead and wipe this off my leg and we'll just use that to, there we go. It's a pretty thin formula, like it's not super thick and gloopy or anything. Feels pretty good on the skin. You can definitely smell that like very relaxing, calming lavender in there. It seems so far they're setting us up for a very dreamy night's sleep. Okay, the next thing we have in here is from Marianella. It is a rosewood and let's see Cubiba body oil with Mongo Go. The first thing I thought of was Mojo Jojo from the Powerpuff Girls. And pomegranate oil. This is supposed to be a body oil that replenishes your skin with no harsh chemicals or additives. It's supposed to give you a youthful glow. Oh, it seems we have a wee bit of a leak here, just ran underneath the plastic a little bit. Ooh, I was afraid it was gonna smell a lot like rose because I feel like we have discussed my feelings about the smell of rose multiple times, but it actually has a very citrusy scent, which recently has been one of my favorites. Maybe because recently where I live, it's just been like cold, eternal darkness, and anything that reminds me of the smell of sunshine is like a happy thing. I really like the smell of that though. There's also some like woodiness in there and other notes, but I really get the lemon out of it. Lovely. It also feels pretty good on the skin. Speaking of skin, the next thing we have here is from, I believe from what I've gathered from the comments, every time I say this brand's name wrong, it's 111 Skin, even though it looks very much like 3 Skin or 111 Skin. It is actually 111. This is actually a very pricey brand. The first thing I had from this brand was like a toner or something, and I think it was like $100 toner. So I'm sure this is a pretty expensive product here. This is the Rose Gold Radiant Booster. Oh my goodness, there is actually pure gold in it. It's supposed to enhance the natural radiance of skin for a coveted gluey Yes, gluey. Everybody wants to look gluey. A coveted, dewy, lit from within glow. Ooh, the bottle is super pretty. It's like a pink chrome little dropper bottle. That is super, super pretty. And my hands are also super, super oily. Nope, I'm just gonna use this Ipsy bag that I have lying over here. Just maybe this piece of paper. Here we go. Okay, nope. All right, we have entry. Oh, okay. I really expected this to be like a foundation mix-in, you know, like a little dropper full of shiny stuff that you put in your foundation and it makes you like glowier, but this is actually just like a skincare product. It's a super nice, almost like cotton candy-y scent to it. So that is really pretty. Hopefully history does not repeat itself. Every bottle I have anything that looks like this, I spill everywhere, especially if it's expensive and nice. Oh, okay, so the next thing I have here is from Skindinavia. This is the Makeup Finishing Setting Spray. It's supposed to be super weightless and odorless, so we'll give the little spritzer a test. Ooh, that feels nice and cooling. I don't know why I just decided to say that this was odorless. It says nowhere on this bottle that it's odorless. I was just like, it's odorless. Ooh, the packaging of this is so pretty. The next thing we have in here is from Winky Lux, and I love the outer packaging on this. It reminds me of like, oh, what's that zebra gum? Y'all know the one I'm talking about. If you can remember pop-up videos from the 90s, you can remember the zebra gum. Fruit stripe. This definitely gives me like fruit stripe gum vibes, but there's like flowers on it. Very, very pretty. This is the Rainbow Balm from Winky Lux. Oh, and it's both for lips and cheeks. That's very unique. Oh, wow. Okay. Apparently the balm itself is also kind of rainbowy. There's like a light blue, an orange, and a red shade in here. I'm gonna see if like you can actually see the blue at all. It must be like a color changing something because the blue is actually coming out very like almost magenta pink. So you can see on the back of my hand there is no like actual blue tint to it. It's just like different colors of pink. Oops. This poor box, I've just absolutely soaked it with the setting spray. But the next thing we have in here is a set of silicone straws. This is from Chic and Tonic. You get 4 different silicone straws in here. This is the Full Bloom collection. I really love reusable straws. The ones I typically use are like the hard plastic, so I'm very interested in seeing what these are like. Y'all know what my very first thought is upon seeing these. They look like my very favorite candy in like the world, which is a candy that I'm absolutely convinced nobody else actually enjoys besides me. They look like the rainbow colored Twizzlers, and like they're making me hungry looking at them and knowing that they're like silicone and I could definitely chew on these. Just my mouth's like tingling for a rainbow Twizzler. They have almost the same amount of flavor as a rainbow Twizzler. Okay, so here are the silicone straws. You can bend them around, do whatever you want. You could like cram them up and shove them in something to take with you. Actually, oh look at that. There's a little pod in here where you could cram them up and shove them in here and take them with you. They also come with a little like brush cleaner here so you can clean out the inside of them. Or if you're having Twizzler withdrawals, you can just gnaw on them a little bit. But anyway, that is nice to have. Very good length for like my bootleg LaCroix. And then the very last thing in here, which I'm very, very excited about, is from Caravan. This is Design Well Traveled. I do believe this is a cute little rug. Ooh, it is. All right, so this is an adorable little like woven rug. It's very textural. There's like some graphic black and white stuff on it. It's a pretty good size also. This would make a really good like bathroom mat, or I think I'm gonna put it in my new kitchen, maybe in front of the sink or something. This is definitely my kind of style right now. It's very like simple and understated, but it also has like some pizzazz to it. I also really like the texture of it. It is 100% cotton. I think this is super cute and I'm quite excited about it. Alrighty guys, that was everything that came in my box. I definitely think I'm most excited about, I really am excited about that weighted eye mask and the rug. I'm also really interested in trying this with 111 Skin product here. I'm also excited about seeing how much the little guy costs. So I'm gonna go to the magazine now and we can flip through and get some prices. Alrighty then. I saw that coming from a mile away. Okay, so the 111 Skin product is $135. I cannot wait to spill it all over my sink. Then we have the Caravan Diamond Woven Rug, which is $48. Ooh, I was not expecting that. Then we have the Imperial Jade Body Oil, which is this one that smells like lemons, which is $68. The Gravity Weighted Sleep Mask is $39.99. The Winky Lux Rainbow Lip Balm is $18. The This Works Deep Sleep Body Cocoon is $40. The 4 little silicone straws those are $16. And for some reason I'm not able to find the Scandinavia product on here, but I'll go ahead and do the math on all that stuff. I'm definitely assuming it's over a $200 value just because, like, even though I am very bad at numbers and all things math, I'm pretty sure I said more than $200 worth of stuff. The ice cream calculator has done its due diligence. Unfortunately, I have typed everything in multiple times wrong. So hopefully this is actually the correct number. Again, I couldn't find this product here, but even without it, my value came to $364.99, which is pretty snazzy for a $49.99 box. Even without that $135 product, it still would be over $200 worth of value. So I personally am pretty happy with everything. I would love to hear what you guys picked for your spring box down below in the comments. Let me know what you guys selected from all the customizable options. Don't forget that if you'd like to try out FabFitFun, you can use my code AR10 for $10 off your very first box. FabFitFun is available in the United States, Canada, and the UK. And yeah, I guess that's all I have for you guys today. So just thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. And I just hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!